Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about algebraic identities, which are popularly known as formulas. So let's see how these identities or so-called formulas are made. Suppose we have two binomial a plus b, and second one is actually same, a plus b. We have to multiply a plus b with a plus b, as we have already learned in our last class that how to multiply a binomial with another binomial. We will proceed accordingly. We'll multiply a with a plus b, then again b with a plus b again. So proceeding in this way, a into a square plus a into b is ab, plus b into a is again ab, and b into b is b square. So a square plus ab plus ab will be twice of ab plus b square. So after multiplying a plus b with a plus b, we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a plus b into a plus b we can also write as a plus b square. So this becomes our first algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can box it or we can number it also, that this is our first identity. Similarly, if you want to multiply a minus b with a minus b, our proceedings will be same, that is a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. Okay, then a into a is a square, a into minus b is minus ab, then again minus b into a will be minus ab, and minus b into minus b will be plus b square. Minus into minus is plus, you remember? Okay, then a square minus ab will be minus of twice ab plus b square. Understood? We have just applied the multiplication of binomial with another binomial, and in this case both the binomials are same. So in the like in the previous case, also we can write a minus b into a minus b as a minus b square. Okay, so we have got our identity as a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will box it as well as number it as identity number 2. Next we will make a small change, like we will take two expressions, first one being a plus b, and we will multiply a plus b with a minus b. Okay, so in this case what we will get, let us proceed. A into a minus b plus b into a minus b. Okay, then a into a square minus ab, a into minus b will be minus ab, then b into a will be ab, that will be plus ab, then plus b into minus b, it will be b square but negative. Okay, plus minus will be minus, so b into b is b square. In this case we see that minus ab plus ab, they will get cancelled out, and we are left with a square minus b square. So that is our second identity, that a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square, or we can say a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. That is our third identity. Okay. So till now, whatever identities we have discussed, in both the cases, our first term and the second term were same. A, B, A, B. A, B, A, B. Then again, A, B and A, B. Next, we'll do a little change. That means we will keep the first term same, but we will change the second term. So what if we have an expression like x plus a into, we'll keep the first term same, x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. Okay, in most cases we can see that in both the expressions our first terms are same but the second terms are different. So in that case, what will be our formula and how that formula is developed or derived. So let us proceed. X into x plus b, then a into x plus b. We proceed in the same way. X into x will be x square plus x into b will be bx plus a into x will be ax, a into b will be ab. So in this case, what we have seen, x square, in both these terms bx plus ax, x is common. Okay, so we can take x common here out of these two terms, and what we are left with, b plus a. That is nothing but b plus is same as a plus b plus ab. So this is our identity, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so x plus a into x plus b will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is our general form of this identity. Okay, you can do a little experiment also. You can put the value of a as minus a, you can put b as minus b, or you can put any one a minus the other plus. You can try out that one. Say for x minus a into x plus b, or x plus a into x minus b, that you can try out like this. Okay, this is very easy. You will be able to derive some easier identities. Okay, but the thing is, we have to remember this identity as in general. X plus a into x plus b will be x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, the important thing is that you just remember these identities. Identity 1, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Identity 2, that is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Identity 3, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, or you can do the reverse also, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And the fourth one is x plus a into x plus b will be x square plus a plus b x plus ab. These four identities you just keep in mind, which are essential to solve many questions in our upcoming exercise. Thank you.